Hey everyone, if you're interested in Micron Technology stock, then these three things are a must know. So in this video, I'm going to highlight how Micron Technology is positioned in three different areas. First, I'll discuss its position in the AI data center market. Then I'll move on to its position in the personal computing market. And finally, I'll discuss how Micron Technology is positioned in the mobile phone industry. So these are three things that are essential categories for Micron Technology stock investors to understand before they make a decision on Micron Technology stock as an investment. So let's jump right in.
I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.
All right, so Micron Technology recently announced an update to its HBM product, and their next generations of HBM will provide further performance and capacity enhancements while we continue to evolve our industry-leading low-power innovations. And its latest installment of the HBM3 shows to reduce power consumption by roughly 30%. Now that's a big deal when you're operating these big, massive AI data centers that are becoming increasingly expensive to operate. So Micron's products reduces power consumption by up to 30%. This product specifically, the HBM3E. And then Micron is talking about the next generation already, the HBM4, which is not out yet. They're still ramping up production of the HBM3E, but they've already got insight into what the HBM4 is going to be able to deliver, and they're saying it's going to provide even more power enhancement, reducing power consumption. And a lot of these hyperscalers are focused on this category, power consumption, the power needs of these AI data centers. So Micron's ability to serve this market with more power efficient products is going to provide a nice boost for Micron's AI segment here. They go on to say that during the quarter, they more than tripled bit shipments of their 232 layer 30 gigabyte SSDs, the storage needed for AI data centers, which offer best-in-class performance, reliability, and endurance for AI data lake applications. So both sides, both storage and memory, Micron participating in the AI data center market expansion, and management has discussed that it increasing demand for these products have led to the HBM3E being pretty much sold out for the next 2 years. Pretty much sold out, the management said. And they're investing big amounts, billions and billions of dollars in manufacturing expansion to meet the growing needs of their product and service, most specifically in this category. This is the biggest growth driver right now, is the AI data center and the AI impact on all industries. Micron is investing to meet that demand. New facilities coming online in Idaho and New York on the back half of this decade, maybe by 2028, they should both be operational. And that is to meet those growing demands from the market. All right, the next segment we'll discuss for Micron is the personal computer market, right? PC is a relatively mature industry. You're not getting very many new customers into this industry, but you are getting replacements, you are getting upgrades. And right now, we're in the middle of the biggest replacement cycle, I believe, in the PC computing history. Now, in PC, the company says unit volumes remain on track to grow in the low single-digit range for 2024, but they're optimistic that the end of Windows planned end of life for Windows 10 in 2025 and the launch of Windows 12 and the next generation of these AI PCs will accelerate the replacement cycle starting in late 2024, and it should gain momentum in calendar year 2025. And everything I'm seeing from the participants in the personal computing industry, including companies like Dell, Intel, AMD, and others, have also, and Microsoft, I should say, have all suggested that they are anticipating a big replacement cycle, that the computers that were purchased in 2020 and 2021 were a large set of computers, a large install base that need to be replaced. Now, not everyone who bought a computer in 2020 and 2021 will replace them in 2025 and 2026, but the average life of a personal computer is between 4 to 6 years. That's the average life. So some people will use it for much longer than that, and some people will use it for much shorter than that. But that cycle, that big install base from 2020 and 2021, when everyone started working from home and learning from home, is going to provide a big boost to the industry, and Micron is anticipating big benefits to that. Now, in addition to that, these newer AI PCs will have 40% to 80% more DRAM content than today's average PC. Microsoft's minimum system requirement for the Copilot Plus PCs, such as the Surface Pro, is 16 gigabytes of RAM. So not only are we going to have this big replacement cycle that Micron will benefit from, but also in this replacement cycle, the average PC needs to have more RAM. It needs to have more RAM to serve the increasing power consumption needs of artificial intelligence. So because these computers are going to be more capable, they need more RAM, they need more memory to be able to handle those increasing capabilities. And it's not just memory, it's also going to be storage. So AI PCs are also likely to require higher performance and higher average capacity SSDs, the storage, which those are the two big areas for Micron, right? Memory and storage, DRAM and NAND. And so this replacement cycle is likely to provide a big tailwind for Micron Technology. All right, and finally in the mobile market. So smartphone unit volumes in 2024 remain on track to grow in the low to mid single digit percentage. And Micron's leading LP5X is enabling the recent 12 gigabyte and 16 gigabyte AI phone releases at all Android Tier 1 customers. And similar to personal computers, smartphones are getting embedded with AI capabilities, and to handle those increasing AI capabilities, they need more memory as well. So that's why you're seeing these 12 gigabyte and 16 gigabyte AI phones starting to come out. And it wouldn't surprise me if this drifts higher in terms of the memory requirements to handle the AI capabilities if you want it to be able to unlock all of the power of AI. So their mobile DRAM and NAND solutions are now widely adopted in industry-leading flagship smartphones, and in calendar Q1, they received recognition for being the number one in quality by 5 of the world's leading smartphone original equipment manufacturers. So Micron Technology, in short, is in a great position to benefit from the rising effectiveness of artificial intelligence, because these edge devices, including mobile phones, personal computers, and the non-edge areas like the AI data center, are all requiring more capability, more power, more memory, more storage, and that's right in Micron Technology's wheelhouse. So if you're interested in Micron Technology stock, those are things that I think were essential to know. Did you know that over 90% of the people that watch my channel are not subscribed? It'll really help support my channel if you hit that subscribe button. And oh, by the way, one of the benefits of being subscribed is that I take requests from subscribers more often than I do from non-subscribers. So if you prefer that benefit, please subscribe to the channel.